Ta-da! Hi guys, good evening. This is SMC with Arewa. Welcome to my channel, guys. If you are new, you know how we do it now. Just click on that subscribe button and also switch on your bell notification sign to get notified whenever I drop a new video so you can come check them out. And also, this is a Yoruba and English channel, so mejeji laman sosirawa. So guys, welcome once again. I hope you guys are fine. Happy weekend, even though the weekend is gone already. So guys, let me do my own small analysis on some happenings. You know, first off, Sowore, he was rearrested. He was found inside the courtroom, even though the DSS people came out to deny it, that they arrested him outside, not inside the courtroom. Well, with the video that I saw, there was no like DSS official in that video. The one inside the courtroom that Sahara reported was posting. No, me o wa mo boya another video. Wow. But the DSS will deny pa won arrest e. Won na won arrest e nínú court níta la won ti gbé. Ipe o void agreement kan. Me I'm beginning to think boya ó ti sign pe won ní bá media sọ̀rọ̀ nígbà tán fẹ́ release e ngba yẹn. Ó dẹ̀ bá media sọ̀rọ̀. I think nǹkan táwọn DSS fẹ́ fi kẹ́wọ́ nìyẹn. Tí wọ́n ṣe free rearrest. Now we all know it is a lie. There's no doubt about that. Now I want to talk to the Yorubas now. Yoruba ni Sowore o. Gbogbo ala de njà fún Odùduwà Republic. Ẹ̀yin ọba ládéládé, ẹ̀yin àgbààgbà Yorùbá. Ten ṣe kíni, ten represent wa. Ẹ̀yin àgbààgbà Yorùbá. Ọba wà ní Ondo. Sowore is from Ondo State. There's a governor in Ondo State. Yorùbá náà ló tún máa ń sọ wípé ọmọ yàn ní burúburú ká gbilẹ̀kùn pàjẹ́. Why tí gbogbo yín ò ṣe ti sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ọ̀rọ̀ bọ̀bọ̀ yìí? A lè wá ṣe kíni? A lè wá padà, a lè má nífẹ̀ẹ́, a lè má support nonsense tó ń ṣe. Fine. Àmọ́ ẹ̀tọ́ ẹ̀ ni wọ́n gbà ọmọ lọ́wọ́ yẹn. Gbogbo wa dẹ̀ dákẹ́. Tó bá tiẹ̀ tá bá sọ̀rọ̀ fún, tẹ́ bá dìde fún, a lè wá gbedele tán ká lọ máa ṣe kíni, ká lọ máa settle ara wa insidely, like Yorùbá to Yorùbá. At least gbogbo yín kò dákẹ́ lọ. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ tún jẹ́ Yorùbá tó tún jẹ́ pé celebrities lẹ ń pera yín. I mean, look at that guy. Ẹ̀yin Yorùbá, in fact, ẹ jọ mí lójú o. Anthony Joshua ṣe match kan lánàá. No telecommunication in Nigeria even paid to stream that match. And AJ is actually claiming, Anthony Joshua is claiming Nigeria, but Nigeria, we are not claiming him. I'll celebrate it. One release Sowore after how many days in the prison? No Nigeria jubilated. No Nigeria jubilated. You see all of them. Cardi B came to Nigeria. You see all of them in strip club, wasting money, dancing, drinking. Sowore that is fighting for their future, excluding me. Fighting for their future. Dying for their matter. But they don't want to tell. They are in the club drinking, you know, flexing. Just imagine that. Yorùbá làwọn people tá ń dárúkọ you. Àwọn Odùduwà ṣé bá ṣe máa gbé tá bá gbọ́ Odùduwà tá ń pariwo kiri náà. Ṣé bá ṣe fẹ́ máa lọ máa treat ara wa nìyẹn. Tá bá lè jà fún ara wa, tá bá lè support ara wa, tá bá lè gbìjà ara wa jà. Ṣé nǹkan tá fẹ́ lọ máa ṣe tá bá gba Odùduwà náà tán lélẹ̀. Because èmi ò mọ nǹkan tí Sowore ò bá ṣe fún wa. Mi ò mọ ẹ̀sùn tí kò bá ṣe. Mi ò mọ bá ṣe hate ẹ̀ tó, tá ò tiẹ̀ lè support ẹ̀ náà. Tá bá dé wá gbé nǹkan wa délé, ká wá ṣe kíni, ká wá mọ bá ṣe fẹ́ treat fuck up ẹ̀ Yorùbá to Yorùbá, káwọn ará tá má bá wa dá sí. It is a very shameful thing, no. If you are allowing this man treat a Yoruba man just woefully in a shameful manner like that, it's a disgrace, Kopanyo. It is a disgrace. It is a disgrace. In fact, ojo mi lójú gan ẹ̀yin Nigeria àtẹ̀yin Yorùbá. So moving on, Cardi B came to Nigeria. Although I'm not a fan, but I think I'm a fan now because this lady did something that really, really inspired me today. She went to a motherless baby home, like deliberately. She almost bought the whole supermarket for them. Not only that, ó tún jẹ́ pé òun máa fún àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ ní scholarship oṣooṣù nǹkan báyìí ló fẹ́ máa send sí wọn. This is not that she just bought things for them. She showed them love. Ó fi ìfẹ́ hàn sí àwọn ọmọ yẹn, ó tún bá wọn ṣeré. Celebrities mélòó ní gbogbo yín lẹ ń ṣe irú ẹ̀? None. tí wá fi ẹ̀sìn yín lé bẹ́ẹ̀. Auntie Toke ti wá jáde, ó wá sọ nonsense. Look at what Toke was saying. Nkechi said her own that tomati de America nísìnyí strip club lòun lọ kìnìkan. Toke, Auntie Toke Makinda, I'm sure you guys know who she is. She wrote a status. Let me read it for you guys. She said, these are the issues. Nigerians, Cardi B is so real. I stand with Cardi B. Your own celeb living the same lifestyle Cardi B is living. Then you people will go about saying such a disgrace, morally corrupt, bad role model, so plastic, so shekinikon, so unintelligent, so ras, so loud. I saw that post. Many people were tagging me to it. I just overlooked it because I don't want to give her attention because she's a nobody. She's just a wannabe. I ma feel ACC or where. Oh my God, come and feel pé bóyá òun ju bóun ṣe wà yẹn lọ. Yomi Black came out and said something this night. In fact, Yomi Black ti sọ̀rọ̀ tán. Ó ti break table yẹn gan. Ó lè rí table yẹn ṣàjọ mọ́. Like Yomi Black broke all the whole table. It is broken beyond replay. Listen to what he said. You see why people love someone like Cardi B. She owns her shit. Just like the Kardashians. You get what you expect. She has not denied being a stripper, or she has not denied that she loves, enjoy showing her body. She has never denied anything like that. She does not go about forming motivational speakers and quoting Bible passages on social media like some saint. Dear Toke, I dare you to openly show how you can afford your lifestyle. And don't come with the shit that you are an actress or OAP. Don't come and say that don't spew shit about endorsement deals because we are in the same marketing communications and we all know how much these deals are worth. In fact, Yomi Black, I owe you 1 crate of Big Stout. Ó sọ̀rọ̀ tán. Ó ti sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn délẹ̀. Kò ti sí nǹkan ẹ̀mí tí a fẹ́ fi dá ọ̀rọ̀ tó kẹ́yìn lóhùn ju ọ̀rọ̀ yìí lọ. Very simple, very self-explanatory, very detailed. Auntie Toke, that is just the simple truth. You should own your prostitution lifestyles. You should own other lifestyles that you're not showing us. Own it. Don't beat your chest and go about saying that, this is Jesus did these speeches. That is what is causing depression to many, because they are seeing themselves, they are discouraged, thinking their own lifestyle is cost. That is just it. Cardi B never denied that she's not this or she's not that. Could deny anything. She's very real. What we are expecting is what we are getting from her. Very, very real. Down to earth. That is what she is. She's not lying. She's not glamoring it up. She does not come to social media to be quoting Bible that she's a saint. She does not come to say, she does not do that. That is just how it is. We all know what she is. And we all have what we are expecting from her, and we are getting it back. Just very simple. Me, I don't even count Toke to be a celebrity. Me, I count Toke as a celebrity in Toke. Honestly, I don't know, but me, I don't think she's a celebrity. And honestly, Auntie Toke, you really, really shame your fellow colleague. Your fellow colleague, you shame them. You people are jealous of Cardi B. Nǹkan tó yẹ kẹ́ máa ṣe ni Cardi B ṣe. Still yet, no. Ẹ tún jowú Cardi B. Ẹ ń jẹ owó Cardi B. Àtìgbà tí Nàìjíríà ti ń yìnyín, kí lẹ ti gbé ṣe? Èèyàn kan wá tó na gbogbo yín pa. Ẹ ò tún dákẹ́kẹ́ wà appreciative. Ẹ tún jealous. Shame on to all of you. You and your cankos. Shame on to all of you. Now, guys, there's something I want to talk about. Some affairs and imams about this issue of Sunday Igboho with a imam professor. Now, for you guys that don't know what's happening, I think there was a program, maybe a money raising program that they are raising money to build a mosque or whatever. I'm sure you guys know who Sunday Igboho is. If you don't know, you can just Google his name and you bring it up and you read about him. So, gathering here, like Sunday Igboho náà wà ní ibẹ̀. So, imam tó sọ̀rọ̀, tó kọ́kọ́ they will give lectures and speech and all that. The imam was talking, he was saying a lot of things. Like, it was just basically, to me, he was speaking off point. Because tó bá fẹ́ lọ sọ̀rọ̀ ní ibì kan, ó máa ti ní topic kan ti kọ sílẹ̀ fún òun ló máa sọ̀rọ̀ lé lórí. o lè divert kúrò nínú topic yẹn kó máa sàn kọ́ ẹ̀mí. Now this Alpha was literally saying stuff about Barrister, the late Barrister. Sorry, ó ń fọpọ̀ kọrin, ó ń fi ọfọ̀ kọrin, gbà òun sọ fún kó tó kú gbà yẹn pé inú iná ló ń lọ tí kò bá ṣe kinní kan ó máa ń pọ̀fọ̀ ó máa sọ báyìí kinní kan àfá ẹlẹ́bọ ni. In fact, now Sunday Igboho gba microphone ìyẹn ó wá sọ̀rọ̀ wípé kò ní ẹ̀tọ́, èèyàn kankan ò ní ẹ̀tọ́, ìmáàmù kankan ò ní ẹ̀tọ́ láti máa sọ wípé èèyàn kan lọ inú iná ẹni tó ti kú, láti máa sọ ọ̀rọ̀ òdì sí òkú ọ̀run. Ẹni tó bá sọ̀rọ̀ òdì sí òkú ọ̀run Barrister, orí ẹni náà pè. Sunday Igboho said it approximately. Ó sọ ó wá tún wá sọ kọ́kọ́ pé ká nípa àwọn ọmọ Barrister wà nínú gathering àbí tán bá gbọ́ létà ńkọ́, because ẹ fẹ́ ká owó mosque nǹkan ọ̀tọ̀ nìkan tẹ̀ ń ṣe, kí ló ṣe wá jẹ́ pé ọ̀rọ̀ bàbá wọn lè wá gbélé wá ń sọ. Ó máa dàbí ká náà ọmọ Barrister gbọ́ àbí wọ́n máa bẹ́ wọ́n máa dàbí plan work nípa ẹ̀kọ́ fẹ́ fi bàbá àwọn tó ti kú ṣe yẹ̀yẹ́ tí ó dẹ̀ sí nǹkan tó kan pẹ̀lú nǹkan tí gbogbo yín dúró ṣe ń bẹ ní ibẹ̀ yẹn. Ó lè pé rẹ ní imam kó bọ́ta kó máa sọ̀rọ̀ òdì sí òkú ọ̀run, kò sí nínú Quran. So to me, nǹkan tí imam yẹn sọ ó wrong. Èsì tí Sunday Igboho náà tó fún wọn all right. Now some Muslims are castigating him concerning that ó pé ó bú àwọn imam wọn publicly. Tó bá tẹ̀ máa correct ẹ̀ ṣe bá tẹ̀ correct wọn ní later àbí nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Me, I am giving my own opinion on that. The way tí Sunday Igboho ṣe reply wọn openly náà ni bàbá yìí ti sọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ. So openly náà òun náà máa ti address ẹ̀. O ò lè gbé mi nígbàjú ní àárín ìgboro kó wá ní pé kí wá dá tèmi padà nínú yàrá rárá o. You embarrassed me openly. I am going to address it openly, not privately. So Sunday Igboho answering the imam back, confirm. Because indirectly ó tún máa send message fún ẹ̀yin imam èmi tẹ́ bá fẹ́ máa sọ jargons nípa òkú ọ̀run, kẹ́ take notice. So nǹkan tí Sunday Igboho sọ or èsì or bó ṣe dá ẹni náà lóhùn publicly kò wrong, all right. Now ẹ̀yin àfáà mi wá sọ wípé torí pé Christian ni kò lẹ́tọ̀ọ́ láti máa sọ̀rọ̀ sí ìmáàmù àwọn bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Can you imagine? Nobody is above correction. All you Muslims, nobody is above correction. Ìmáàmù ni o, sheikh ni o, àfáà ni o, kò sẹ́ni tó above correction. That's it. Nobody is above correction. Who is it that they cannot correct him openly? Ṣé òun ló dá ọ̀run àtayé ni? Báwo ló ṣe máa ṣe ìbàjẹ́ ní openly tó wá sọ wípé mi ò lè sọ? No, you don't do that. At the end of the day, gbogbo ẹ̀yin Muslim tẹ́ ń bú Sunday Igboho, orí gbogbo yín kò pé. Sorry, let me take that back. Orí yín pé àmọ́ làákàyè yín kéré. Nígbà tí Sunday Igboho, when Sunday Igboho finished speaking, he now said he donated 5 million naira to the money raising that they were doing, that he donated, but like when he addressed the imam back, it's not, and again, it's not as if he pointed to the imam or he called the imam name, but like kò sọ ní sọ bí rudeness, bó ṣe yẹ kó gbé kalẹ̀ náà ni ó ṣe gbé kalẹ̀. Ṣé ti understand ẹ̀yin èèyàn? After saying everything, he now said he donated 5 million naira. Ó dẹ̀ dúró máìkì lẹ̀, ó bọ̀lẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin Mùsùlùmí tẹ́ ń bú ipò bú ìmáàmù yín. Nígbà tí ó bú ìmáàmù yín, kí lẹ gba 5 million naira sí ní ọwọ́ ẹ̀. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ dá ṣẹ́ẹ̀kì ẹ̀ padà, ẹ dá owó ẹ̀ padà fún. Since tẹ̀tí ní pé bú àfáà yín pé kìnnìkan, Christian dẹ̀ ní gbá kan àwo kan. Ẹ dá owó ẹ̀ padà. Christian ni ó bú ìmáàmù yín, ẹ dẹ̀ gba 5 million naira tó fún yín later. Ó nù yín lọ́rọ̀, ẹ tún gbowó yẹn dání, orí yín ó pè. Ẹ wá bọ́ sí social media, ẹ wá ń pariwo kiri. Èèyàn nù yín ní ọ̀rọ̀, ẹni èèyàn disgrace yín, ó nù yín lọ́rọ̀. Ó tún wá fún yín 5 million naira, ẹ tún gbà. Ẹ wá bọ́ sí social media, ẹ wá ń ṣe nonsense. Ẹ dá 5 million naira padà. Return is 5 million naira. Ṣebí you abuse your imam and he's a Christian. Return the 5 million naira he donated to you people. Shameless idiots. Lè ṣe ẹni tó máa tún ṣe, ẹni tó máa sọ jargons. Who is the imam tí wọ́n lè correct? Remember guys, say something, say something.